Good morning, guys, and today we are on our way to work early in the morning. Mga alas 6 pa ron. Kapin mo pa 7. And this is how it looks like. So early morning drive, going to the city from the Cebu South Coastal Road. And we've still been battered by aftershocks, but today we're going to talk about the Pink October month. Of course, Pink October month is about cancer awareness. So there's a movement na this month's Alakwan was dedicated to make people aware, breast cancer awareness actually. So this is one of the most common type of cancers na not every woman is at risk, especially kung mga advanced ages na, and that's why normally ilagi nang encourage ang women to have some mammogram or some tests, diba? Okay, one of the most common types, and it's of cancer, and one of the leading causes of death pag yun, diba? Okay, lisod ba ng cancer, pero once kung early detection is important kay kung ma-detect early, mas mapangitaag paagi. Ang uban maoperahan lang, matambalan, di ba? Nang uban kung pwede makuha na ba, kung naay risk, pwede rin na operahan, ikuhaon ang cyst, di ba? Ay kung mapabayaan, of course, grabe na. It could lead to of course death, di ba? Kung di man death, dako kay nagasto na ba kung late na mahibawan, dahil makuha na. So ang mahal na kayo na, di ba? Mga chemo, mga other types of treatment. So although compared before, mas daghan nag options karon, but malagi gyapon in the end early detection is still the key. Okay, and a lot of programs now are supporting. There is a Cebu, there's what you call an I Can Serve Foundation Incorporated. So mga survivors ni sila that they created an org to really spearhead this movement for breast cancer awareness ug uban pa. So dayon they have partner with different hotels, establishments. So kung may mga movement to gather funds ug like last night I had dinner dito sa New Star, because they had a partnership with New Star na mga produkto dito sa New Star na himo lang pink, but they have this pink pasta, they have pink cocktails, pink mocktails, they even have a pink dessert na pink na tiramisu. And the proceeds, some of the proceeds, not all, but yeah, at least some of the proceeds, if namin mo order will be given to the foundation para sa ilang mga programa. And I think that's a nice initiative. That's a nice way of helping and supporting. I remember way back in the past, mga 10 years ago, or more than 10 years ago, mga 12 years ago, mga filming ng Pink October run, mga fun run na for breast cancer awareness. And malingaw may ang Pink October run, kaya naka-pink mo tanan. It's always been dugay na fight, the campaign for awareness, and I think daghan sa nihid ang call, nihid sa call about being aware na sakit. So tinang tamukuan na nang kuan. So mauna, and it's gonna be, it's a good thing na mga organizations that work for this. Kani mga kuan sa non pink ladies or Mo na kuan lagi na they've been through the kuan kaning cancer. So manang survivors ni sila, and a big kudos to them also na marabag they're trying to help na marabag to make others aware, di ba? Daghan pa na sa mga programs. So and there's also mga smaller organizations like mga GCI, di ba, na namutabang ana ni kuan sad ba ni tabang sad sila na make it their, especially kan mga JCN, mga babae na sila, di ba, and they want they are also helping in this program. So maunay kuan na to ana ba na if kuan lang yun na early detection, and we have to always kuan na be aware na daghan sa kuan organizations na willing na mutabang ug dili na to kumpiyansahan ba manay kuan na ay nagkumpiyansa gyud ba manay pinaka main call ana ba na way kumpiyansa. And I guess natin kita, I know, somehow kita tanan natin kaila, pamilya na naka-encounter na ani na disease. So pana just talk about it, pero pana we can do our research na naman na, but lang yun na in the end ang call is, you know, sometimes hindi mo na ma-highlight noon, puro raman more of fun activities ba, but I guess one of the main highlights of Ana is awareness, di ba? And I think some hospitals like mga Cebu Doc, they're supporting also these kinds of initiatives ba na nasa yung mga discounts, I guess. Especially this month, they are giving away discounts for people na magpa-check up, di ba? So wala, kuan lang nato. That's our little panawag na kuanta, na aware ta na iyas daan. Pero yes, mao na itong kuan ron, we're early and okay traffic, because even na kuan I asked the taxi driver palahi ra gyud ko ron kay wa may klase. Manay problema sa ron na it's been really a tough, kahit pa paano, it's a tough year, turbulent ingana game mo bag literally turbulent na uyog kuan, but mao lang na laban lang ta, kuan lang ta, we're gonna this will pass, but lagi na hopefully sad noon may it's not just about this will pass, it's about hopefully na yung mga institutional changes ato on the, you know, especially on the government side na kuan ba, or even to the voter awareness side ba, silang daghan kay tagyaw-yaw, di ba, na gawa na din daghan ng mga kawatan, mga corruption, yet in the end, once nasa sa when the power is with us to choose, kuan maghapon, in some areas we're still choosing the same people, di ba? So sometimes mana ba na hopefully this time na moy anger, na moy regret, na moy pagbasol, palagot sa pa inyong feeling hopelessness. Hindi naman ay hope unta. Every 3 years we have a job to elect you know, the right people. It's not just usahay man good, we might elect because I don't know, maybe utang na loob or something like that, or lahira kay parente, but mana karon hunaw-naon na ninyo na you have to elect the right people, because kung dili daghan siya consequence, so di ba? And then mana sige na grant na sige na magdebate, but in the end wa magyapon pag kada Mayo, every 3 years same raghapon ang ma-elect. So na in the end, di na kita silbi ang the blame won't be on us, but the point is, part blame nga, partly to blame na we have, to punish, quote unquote, these people. Kung dili man ninyo katong dili ta kung dili man mo ganag violence na pareho itong mga nahitabos laing lugar, you can punish them at the ballot box. Mao na lang na. But if not, in the end, it's just gonna be same. Di ba? So mura kung di ta mo tolerate ana, di ba? But it's a tough year gid. Mingon ko lang. Kalisod ta na even ng mga taxi drivers kay bawo sila maka-apektado sila. Ilang tungod sa linaw kana. Mas gamay ang turista, mas kuan. Namang mangingana nagagmayng things ba? Di ba? Or nabaha ang daan, di sila kabiyahe. And those are small things, pero that means a lot to a lot of people. So, thank you so much for watching. Kuya kita nung segue, but yes, Pink October month, and let's help that campaign as well. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you sa sunod na tong drive o lag. Bye.